How to hard reset OPPO Reno 15 Pro Mini 5G.
Step 1. Start by pressing the power button and volume up button together, then swipe down to turn off your smartphone.
Step 2. Once it's turned off, hold the power button and volume down button. And when you see the OPPO logo, let go the power button, but keep holding the volume down button.
Step 3. Tap on English language.
Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.